I've been slacking on videos because I just had life happen. So yeah, unable to really record stuff, but I did do a couple cool things. I put this double din display in, and I bought speakers for this, and they said 4-inch speakers, so I hope it's a 4-inch speaker. Why did I come to the car again? I forgot. It's dirty. I'm gonna call my friend who does detailing and ask if he knows how to get this off the car, because this was here when I got the car, so maybe no. But yeah, old car things, baby Groot. I might not have recorded me putting the double din in, mostly because I had to didn't de-pin, I just cut the wires and soldered the pigtails in. The reason why I didn't take the terminals off is because I didn't want to de-pin and re-pin, and also I didn't have a Deutsch connector. But that's okay. Don't really trip out on things like that. But I got this, which are Alpine S2-S40s. I can't find S40s on Amazon, so I don't know if I paid too much or whatever. But what's it called? The guy had this on display, and I was like, those sound nice. Because I can't tell difference between audio quality, and he even told me, like, yeah, there's no real difference between the 4-inch speakers. Like, they're all pretty much the same. Because he had this and kicker and I forgot what else he had. He had another one. I just like Alpine. It's got important notice. Please read before installing speakers. Something you don't need. These are small. Oh my god. They're heavy though. That's cool. Little speaky boys. Hopefully I don't have to solder anything today, because I don't want to. I don't know what these are. I don't know much with audio stuff. Like, I'm very bad at audio stuff. Mounting brackets, hardware, some wiring, so I might be wiring stuff, and some foam. Okay, I might be reading this. If I can read. Congratulations on your purchase on high-quality Alpine speakers from Alpine. I hope you know that I don't edit my videos because I'm bad at editing as well. Your listening satisfaction is important to us in order to maximize and maintain speaker performance. The following guidelines are being provided. Please read those carefully before operating. Do not overdrive the amplifier. Overdriving the amplifier will result in distortion or clipping that can damage any speaker. Please make sure gain controls are properly set. Follow instructions and amplifier ornament and make sure the speaker is properly rated for the amplifier. Make sure that volume, bass, treble, and equalization is cross setting. Do not cause amplifier overdrive. I don't think I can overdrive it. I don't know how to. Register your product. I have warranty with this? Why is it in French? Products covered. This limited warranty covers Alpine. Length of warranty 1 year. I don't even know if the car's gonna last that long. I wish I was kidding. Okay. I wish I had more space. Hold up. Okay, that should be more space. So here's the speaker itself. Thin and thick connector, and I'm guessing this is just a holder. Probably. Feels like it, because that went on really easy. Yeah, probably like that, seeing as it does fit into that almost exactly and easily. yeah. And then pigtail connector. Ooh. Yeah, there is soldering involved today. Okay, that's cool. I like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring the car more so in the garage, and then, yeah, catch you back. See, this is how I know I have personal growth, because last year around this time, I would not have known what this was, or what I'm doing, but for the most part, I know what I'm doing. That's all AC stuff. And I know this because I gave the school my old AC stuff, which this is actually super easy to get to. Like, super easy. It was literally 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts for the glove box. I mean, yeah, you gotta take the side skirt out, but that's easy. And then that's all the AC, well, most of the AC stuff. There's still a bunch of stuff back there. But this would have been so easy to do. You don't have to take the dash out. Just so easy. Oh, I'm never taking the dashboard out again. I've done 3. I think I've done 3. I might have done 4. I honestly don't remember. I've done a lot of work in the past time, but I've almost gotten the old speaker out, and I have to check to see how the pigtail is, because I forgot it outside. That's fun. This is the old speaker. As you can tell, it is a lot older than this one. So yeah, I'm gonna take this one out and see how this one's gonna go in. Don't know how that one's gonna get in yet. And I need to grab the pigtail. I need to remember that. So I don't want to speak too soon, because I still have the driver's side one to do. But this is probably one of the easiest installs I've done, because I don't even have to use the pigtail. I just use the original wiring, because it just plugs right in. And not just that, the bolt holes line up perfectly. I just need to start putting the screws in, which this is a lot harder to do on a camera. Where did I put the rest? Oh, this is the fun part. I need to find the rest of the screws. Oh yeah, I have a passenger seat delete, if you guys didn't know that. No, that's where they are. Yeah. I'll be right back. Oh, so I'm not able to play this because I'm recording off my phone, but let's see. So it ended the video because I accidentally pressed it to connect Bluetooth, accidentally, but it does work, and somehow my antenna radio does work as well. That's interesting. That bothers me now. I don't see that when I'm driving. Oh my god, this smudges already. But yeah, this is pretty much done, I guess, for the passenger side. I'm gonna unplug it and then put it on the whole thing, and then let's see how it looks. Okay, so got this piece out. Took it out as a whole unit because it's probably just the easiest way. I could have done. Where's that 10 mil? It's this is literally the last 10 mil in my house. It's a 4-inch drive, and I don't use 1/4-inch drive tools, so I have a 3/8 to 1/4-inch adapter on this Tacar. Oh no, I have my Matco 10 mil somewhere, I think. Oh, that's fun. This 10 mil doesn't fit. I need an extension. And as I expected, the driver's side was going to be a bit more involved and a bit more difficult, but it's okay because I'm almost halfway there. I say almost because I still have to put the new speaker in and then put the rest of the stuff back in. So, yeah, going slow because no need to go fast. Cause that's alright. Okay. I'll catch you back when this whole setup is in the car again. Okay, well, that doesn't even look like it's been touched. This there it is. This doesn't look like it's been touched either. That's my horn. That's my fog lights, which that was done before I really knew what I was doing. Yeah, I won't lie, the audio quality is pretty nice, especially for the price I paid, which I'm not going to say. Quite happy with it. So I'm going to edit this video, upload it, have it be scheduled for sometime, I don't know when. I think next thing I'm going to work on is getting another thingy, another hub adapter, because I think the ball bearings in this one are bad and shot already, which that's okay. Gives me an excuse to buy an energy one, but yeah. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys probably when I'm doing my back speakers or doing a subwoofer. I really don't know what my schedule or my timeline is for a lot of things. More so because this car has pretty much been done for me. Like, have a quick release, now have a radio, now have good speakers in the front. Anyways, it's reliable. I mean, I would do suspension, but every company's kind of expensive, and I kind of don't want to spend that much money on this car, because I'm planning on getting another one. Not another Celica, but another car. A manual. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Yeah. So I guess I'll see you guys in another video.